Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction of a hospital in Portmore. Now the government announced that they have identified land in Bernard Lodge to build a hospital for Portmore. And this is the Bernard Lodge area that we're driving through now. On the left you're going to see the Grace Kennedy warehouse and the Caramed warehouse. And on the right is a prison and a massive housing development. Bernard Lodge has over 15,000 homes and more to be constructed. So you know the size of the population in this area. And Portmore on a whole has a very large population. So it's good that they're building a hospital for Portmore. Currently, you have the Spanish Town Hospital the Spanish Town is the capital of St. Catherine, and currently Portmore is located in St. Catherine, but Portmore is to become a parish very soon. So it will take a lot of stress off the Spanish Town Hospital when the Portmore Hospital is built. So guys, let us know what you think. That's the Caramed warehouse we're passing on the left now, and that's one of the housing developments on the right. So let us know what you think about the construction of the Portmore Hospital and also the location in Bernard Lodge. The Caramed is actually expanding their warehouse, and I can see the construction there. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the construction of the Portmore Hospital. The government has identified land in the Bernard Lodge area to build a new hospital for Portmore, and the feasibility study is now being done to determine the format and the structure of the medical facility. Making a disclosure, Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. the Honorable Christopher Tufton, said the administration has a vision for the area, along with a strategic plan which is being worked on in earnest for the communities that are growing in population. Addressing the monthly meeting of the St. Catherine Chamber of Commerce, the minister said the government recognizes the expansion of the population in the areas, and we are going beyond that because we feel as a government that we need to split the parish. Dr. Tufton also said the expansion of healthcare facilities for the parish of St. Catherine is to meet the current population growth and for future increases based on the construction of houses. From a population standpoint, from the development of housing, for example, whether houses that have been built or houses that are being built or houses that are to be built, we're talking about thousands and thousands of people, the minister said. Bernard Lodge alone represents close to 15,000 new houses. If you add 3 to 4 residents of each house, it means multiples of that in terms of new population. Starting from 2016 to today, a lot has been done and a lot more is being done and will be done to address the progress that is being made from a public health perspective, the minister said. Noting that over the past 9 years, more people have been entering the St. Catherine and using the Spanish Town Hospital, which is under a $5.5 billion expansion, the minister said the number of persons seeking care at the institution moved from 39,000 to 45,000 in 2024. And if you factor what is coming, it means more people are going to go there next year and the year after and the year after. We have to prepare, and we have made some progress, even though there is more that needs to be done. In the area of staff, in 2016 we had 223 nurses, ranging in various categories, the minister said. At the end of 2024, Dr. Tufton said the hospital had 489 nurses, and coming from 83 doctors, it now has 194, pointing out that this is a significant increase. The minister said that the population is expanding and the demand is expanding, but we have a plan to try and address what we have seen as the forecasting of what is to come, based on the expansions that are taking place. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So I think it's an excellent idea that they're going to have another hospital in Portmore. It will definitely help in the delivery of healthcare services. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.